Hello guys, so today I do have a new packaging ordered from Lazada. Usually the video I made is about G-Shock watches. Today we are gonna make something about smartwatches. This is the packaging. This is the Xiaomi Amazfit GTR, the 47mm model. Production date July 2019. Made in China. What we have is a AMOLED display, continuous heart rate, water resistance, long lasting battery, estimate about 20 days plus, smartphone notification and multi sport mode tracking. The battery size is 410 milliamp. The model number is A1902. This is a smartwatch compatible with Android watch. This is a by Xiaomi and it's a proprietary OS. So it does not support applications installation. That's it. Move beautifully. Let's see the watch close up. This is the stainless steel model. There's another gray model. I'm not sure what's the name of it. So let's see what we have in the packaging first. Probably power cable and documentation. Pull documentation and charging dock. The watch itself. This is a faux leather with an Amazfit embedded to it. Back is this is not fully leather. I'm not sure what's the size of the band. It looks like 22 or 24. But the bezel itself is quite fingerprint magnet. Hopefully its scratch resistance is good. Let's peel this off. The charger is magnetic. So just plug into any USB power source. So let's turn this on. Open Amazfit app to bind. While the application installs, let's see what we have in mind. To pair the watch, go to up here, watch, click here, go to Amazfit GTR, choose, got it, allow, scan code on the watch, no QR code displayed. These are all G-Shock watches. The watch is a 47mm size, so it's a little bit, it's not that big, but it's okay for my hand. It's about the same size as the GA2000, slightly thinner. Updated successful. Amazfit. About the same size as GA 2000. About the same size as the GBA 800. And bigger than the square model GW or GWB 5600. And also we have the GGB 100, which clearly is bigger. So syncing data, please open the app and check for updates. Updating resource library. So the update is completed. Let's see. The battery comes out of the box is about 67%. We can change the watch face settings to many of the options, and also there is a third-party application for you to change the watch face to any design that is available online. Unlock screen, setup smart unlock. Incoming call, yes. Event reminder, no. Find watch. So when you click find watch, the watch vibrates once. Discoverable just will make your device available to any other. So activity, heart rate sharing. Yep. Heart rate detection, frequency, activity detection. The basic Amazfit functions are these are the power button, turn on, turn off. This is the function button where we have to, the home page goes to the tracking, activity tracking, heart rate, and that's it. Holding this will allow you to change the watch face to any of the default watch face, only two that they have installed. So swiping down will go to the menu, bright auto brightness, night mode, power saving, and lock. Swipe up to go into the features. We have status, which is all the data collected from your activity tracking. Swipe left to exit. Heart rate, workout activities, weather, music. Let's see if it's already synced. Yes. Shows Petaling Jaya, humidity, weather, and upcoming weather. So left, music, notification, no new notification, alarm, event reminder, and more. Small compass timer, countdown, find mobile. See settings. Watch face screen on duration 5 seconds, 8 seconds is set. Quick start up system. Reboot factory reset. Firmware version. To set up the custom button, here you can change to any of the features that you want. So what I want here is to check out notifications. So just go back. No new notifications. So that's it. Let's see how it wears on my hand. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.